All right, I just pulled up right here, and here's a driving tip right here. I'm about to make a left turn, and I was about to run this over. I'm gonna have to pull over and show you. Just give me 1 second. It's a screwdriver in the middle of the road. I'm gonna try to get it before somebody else runs it over. So that's gonna give you a flat tire for sure. That's the tip, to watch out when you're on the road for stuff like that. And if you can, just pick it up and get it out of the roadway. That will definitely help somebody avoid a flat tire or an accident. I mean, who knows, it could be you. If I didn't look at this, I could have ran it over. It's a million cars going by. So anyway, that's the tip. Hopefully you found it helpful. Check out the playlist if you're looking for more tips that could save you flats or keep you safe on the highway. Top driving tips at Fast Flow 1. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. See you on the next one.